A 6-month public health campaign sought to limit the spread of influenza by encouraging people to take precautions such as washing hands frequently and avoiding public places when they experience influenza symptoms. I love this.
Relevant.
Okay, so this campaign says like maybe it's like it's a health campaign, so I wonder how they encourage people, maybe through whatever. Since the incidence of influenza was much lower during those months than experts had predicted, the public evidently heeded the campaign. So our conclusion is that the public evidently heeded the campaign.
Mm-hmm.
So what does that mean?
I thought that they obeyed, like they listened.
They listened, yes. And so we're trying to strengthen the idea that they listened to the campaign, correct?
Mm-hmm. Right.
And our only evidence so far was it was much lower those months than experts had predicted. So
right.
What would strengthen this? I'm thinking that maybe like places that the health campaign didn't run, like it was like a really bad year for the flu,
Mm-hmm.
or
there was a
people
high
that got the flu didn't see the campaign or something, like they were asked. I don't know. So what strengthens the argument? A, the incidence of foodborne illnesses, which can be effectively controlled by frequent hand washing, was marked lower than usual. Oh, I kind of like that one. B, during the 6-month period, the incidence of the common cold, which has many of the same symptoms as influenza, was about the same as usual. No. C, there were fewer large public gatherings than usual.
I like that one.
That, just because there were fewer larger, okay, I see that. Okay, we'll leave it open. D, independently of the public health campaign, the news media spread the message that one's risk of contracting influenza can be lessened by frequent hand washing. No, because that doesn't strengthen that it came straight from the campaign itself.
Mm-hmm.
E, in a survey completed before the campaign began, many people admitted that they should do more to live. No, I like A. What?
No, I said you do. Like it was a question.
Yes. But C. So I probably, if I was doing this, I can see why you left C open, but just because there's fewer large gatherings, avoiding public places, I don't think it strengthens our premises that are given enough, because we say that people need to take precautions such as washing hands and avoiding public places.
Mm-hmm.
Large gatherings don't necessarily have to be public places, where A is specifically strengthening hand washing, like an exact premise that it's given. The incidence of foodborne illnesses, which can be effectively controlled by frequent hand washing, was marked lower than usual during the same 6-month period. So people are hand washing, they're not getting either of them. Which maybe that's not the correct answer. Is that the right answer?
No, it is the right answer.
Okay.
No, I'm just like struggling to